Welcome back to day 3 of our 90-day Python mastery series. Today, we're moving beyond simple print statements to the heart of programming, variables. Think of them as the containers that hold the soul of your code.
On day 2, we saw data types. Today, we learn how to store them. By the end of this video, you won't just be writing code, you'll be writing professional code.
Imagine you're moving into a new house. You have boxes. You label one kitchen and another books. In Python, the label is the variable name, and the items inside are the value. When you write x equals 10, Python isn't just drawing an equal sign. It's grabbing a spot in your computer's RAM, putting the number 10 there, and tagging it with the name x. Unlike C++ or Java, Python is dynamically typed. You don't need to tell Python that x is an integer. It figures it out the moment you assign the value. It's smart, flexible, and fast. The equal sign in Python is not the same as equal to in math. It is an assignment operator. It means take the value on the right and shove it into the name on the left. You can change a variable's sold anytime. If we say age equals 25 and then age equals 26, the old value is gone. Python's garbage collector cleans up the mess for you automatically. You can't just name a variable anything. There are hard rules. Rule number 1, it must start with a letter or an underscore. Never a number. 1_ user is a syntax error, user_1 is perfect. Python is picky. Age, age, and age are 3 completely different variables. Mixing these up is one of the most common bugs for beginners, so stay consistent. Keep it alphanumeric. No spaces, no hyphens, and no symbols like @ or $. The __ is your only friend when you want to bridge 2 words. You can't name your variable if, else, or while. These are Python's reserved keywords. They belong to the language's core logic. Using them will break your script immediately. Let's jump into the editor. Watch what happens when I try to start a variable with a number. See that red underline? That's our syntax error. Let's fix it by moving the number to the end. Pro tip, you can assign multiple variables in one line. A, B, C equals 5, 10, 15. It's clean, it's Pythonic, and it saves vertical space in your code. One of the coolest things in Python is swapping. In other languages, you need a temporary variable. In Python? Just write A, B equals B, A. It's like magic. PEP8 is the official style guide for Python. Think of it as the grammar of coding. If you want to work at Google or Meta, you must follow these rules. It makes code readable. For variables, PEP8 demands snake_case. All lowercase, with underscores between words. Not username, but user_name. This is the Python way. Never name a variable x if it represents a price. Use price_per_unit. Code is read much more often than it is written. Write for humans, not just machines. Sometimes a value never changes, like pi or a database URL. In PEP8, we write these in ALL_caps. This tells other developers, hey, don't touch this value. PEP8 says, use spaces around the assignment operator. Don't write x equals 5. Write x equals 5. It gives your code room to breathe. It looks professional. You might think, but my code runs fine without these rules. True. But when you revisit your code in 6 months, or share it with a team, PEP8 is what prevents headaches. Avoid using single-letter names like L, lowercase l, or O, uppercase O, because they look like 1 and 0. Clarity over brevity, always. Look at these 2 blocks of code. Both do the same thing. But notice how much easier the second block is to understand because of descriptive snake_case names. Let's build a small script for a retail store. We need to store a product name, its price, and whether it's in stock. Think about what names you would choose. I'm defining product_name equals a laptop, price equals 899.99, and is underscore available equals true. Notice the snake underscore case. Notice the spaces around the equal sign. This is Edulexis standard. If you're ever confused about what's inside a variable, use the type function. It's like an X-ray for your variables. Let's check our price variable. Yep, it's a float. Here is your homework. Create 5 variables describing your favorite book using PEP 8 standards. Share your code in the comments below. I'll be hearting the best ones. To recap, variables are memory labels. Python is case sensitive. Use snake underscore case for variables and ALL underscore caps for constants. Follow PEP 8 to look like a pro. That's it for day 3. Tomorrow, we dive into strings and manipulation. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Edulexis. Let's bridge that gap together. See you tomorrow.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.